Drones, the modern marvels of technology, have revolutionized industries worldwide by effortlessly surmounting physical barriers and capturing breathtaking aerial perspectives. In this video, we'll take a look at the best 5 drones under $50 that are available on the market today. We've carefully put together this list of featured drones based on market research, including customer reviews and feedback, that offer the most value for your money. For more information and the latest prices of the mentioned products, you can visit the links found in the description box below. Now, let's get started. The 5th product on the list is the MOCVOO drone with dual camera. The MOCVOO drone is an excellent choice for beginners and kids who want to explore the world from above. With two 1080p HD cameras, you can switch between real-time images from the sky and the terrain situation under the aircraft. The front camera can be adjusted 120 degrees, giving you a wider view of your surroundings. The drone is also foldable and comes with 2 batteries, allowing for an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes. With its powerful maneuverability, responsive and accurate control, and easy-to-use remote control, the MOCVOO drone is perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage and photos. Up next in 4th place is the NEHEME NH530 drone. This drone is a great choice for kids and beginners who want to enjoy the fun of flying a drone without the hassle of learning complex controls. It features a 1080p HD camera that can take stunning aerial photos and videos, as well as a variety of fun and easy-to-use flight modes, such as 3D flips, circle fly, and headless mode. The NH530 also comes with 2 modular batteries that provide up to 30 minutes of flight time, so you can enjoy extended flying sessions without having to worry about running out of power. Plus, the drone's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry with you wherever you go. The 3rd product on this list is the Holystone HS420 Mini Drone. The Holystone Mini Drone is perfect for beginners and kids. Its small size of 6.9 by 6.9 by 1.6 inches, with guards, makes it easy to carry around, and its blades are well protected for safe flying. The drone comes with a 1080p camera that allows for FPV, first-person view, flying, and making tricks like flips is easy with some practice. The drone also comes with extra batteries for longer flying time. The 2nd product on our list is the Holystone HS210 Mini Drone. The Holystone Mini Drone is a tiny and super adorable drone that is perfect for indoor use. Despite its lightweight and seemingly flimsy construction, the plastic material is sturdy enough to withstand flights. One of its standout features is its ease of flight, making it suitable for kids and beginners. The drone comes equipped with 3 batteries, allowing for longer flying sessions as pilots can easily switch out the batteries. It also features altitude hold, headless mode, 1-key start/land, and circle fly, making it incredibly easy to fly and maneuver. With its compact size and user-friendly features, the Holystone HS210 Mini Drone offers a fun and engaging flying experience for all skill levels. Number 1 on the list is the DEERC D20 Mini Drone for kids. The DEERC D20 is an affordable and fun drone that is perfect for kids and beginners. It comes with a 720p HD FPV camera that allows you to capture aerial shots and videos. The drone is easy to operate with features such as headless mode, 1-key start/landing, and altitude hold. It has a maximum flight time of up to 10 minutes and a maximum remote control distance of up to 40 meters. The drone is foldable, making it easy to carry around and store. However, it is lightweight, which makes it sensitive to wind. Overall, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable and easy-to-use drone. So, there you have it. This concludes our list of the best drones under $50. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. To see more about these products, check out the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching.